my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone likes my happiness. Jai Hind.
I invite Bennett for thought.
Good morning to all. Today thought by Bennett Jason. Hard work. Self-belief and hard work will always you success. Self-belief and hard work will you success. Thank you.
I invite Shreya for thought.
Good morning to all. Today's talk is read by Sanchez on topic hard work. Hard work and dedication are keys to success. With every step, with every fall, we rise again and our whole hard work pays off true. So let's keep pushing me and you. The only way to do great things is now. Love, it does not matter how slow you go as long as you stop. For the famous example is Thomas Alva Edison failed out 1,000 times before inventing a light bulb. That for today's talk. Thank you and have a nice day. I invite Jalen for state news.
Good morning to all. Today state news read by Jalen Shebu. Photos finish at the Arts Festival as Trishur takes crown. Thank you. I invite Agna for national laws.
Good morning to all. Today's national news is read by Agna. In rest of the Ismail agreed to step on defense cooperation. Thank you.
I invite Christopher for international news.
Good morning to all. Today's international news read by Christopher Tinson. Tamil swans to red-necked girls